Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by adding a reference to Microsoft, Office, Interop, Excel, or installing EP Plus from NuGet. This choice affects how you interact with files. Once done, import the namespaces and instantiate the Excel application object. Create a new workbook or point to a file path immediately and set application. Visible equals false so operations run in the background. Make sure to set display alerts equals false to avoid prompts. This prevents blocking during automated save or overwrite operations. Now open the workbook using application. Workbooks. Open Path or the EP Plus Excel package constructor. You must handle file locks by opening with read write if updating. Access the worksheet by index or name, then get a range or cells reference to read and write values. When inserting many rows, use arrays or bulk value 2 assignment for speed. After edits, recalculate formulas if needed and update cell formatting. Make sure to catch exceptions so you can release COM objects or dispose the package in a finally block. Finish by saving changes, call workbook, save or package. Save, then close workbook and quit the Excel application. If using Interop, release COM objects in reverse creation order with Marshall. Release COM object and force GC, collect to clear lingering references for EP plus call dispose. Always wrap operations in try/finally to guarantee cleanup. Troubleshooting tip. If Excel remains running, look for orphaned Excel, exe processes, or locked files. Terminate them and ensure all object references.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.